All right, it is cold, it's early. We are going to be meeting up with some people later on to drift. So I need to get the alignment fixed. I did some work to the angle kit yesterday and it threw off the alignment in the front just a little bit. The toe is out. So let's go ahead and get the car aligned. All right, so we made it to Tire Kingdom. My buddy Brandon is gonna put the car in the lift. I have to come all the way to Ormond because it's the only alignment rack that the car will fit on. A little bit of softs. Watch it fall through. All right, got it on the alignment rack. So you said the passenger side's towed out a little bit?
Yeah, it's towed out on that side.
Gotcha. So we're probably gonna keep the caster and camber the same. We're just gonna mess with the toe in the front just because of the corrections I did to the lower control arm yesterday. So let's get to it. How bad is it?
I'm saying it's pretty bad. I don't think that this number is right, but those numbers are right. I think that's closer to that.
Yeah. I mean,
with the track the way it is, it's
yeah.
It's showing a little different.
The toe's probably pretty accurate, but
yeah,
it is odd that the caster is so different. Yeah. Camber's probably pretty accurate.
Yeah, the camber is definitely accurate.
Yeah, camber's definitely there.
A few moments later.
Sure you want to pull it out, you think? All I'm saying, do not dump the clutch.
Yeah, that's it. It does. Alright, got the alignment. Now we're at good old Chick-fil-A. Let's see if she approves of the Lord sauce. Come on, focus. No, we're not gonna focus. Ridiculous.
I'm take my camera, I can't hold it.
Are you gonna go?
Here's a GoPro.
Okay.
Oh my god. Zach?
Time to let her rip. Let her rip, tater chip.
Oh my god. That truck's been scoping out.
Yeah, I think it's the tow truck, so we should be okay.
Bro, this is such goals. Love it. I told TJ, I'm like, I'm getting a drift car. It's happening. Zach, he made me do it.
Ready? truck.
He's like, you next. Oh my god, this is so awesome.
You can go. You can go.
So we're like, nope. Oh my god, this is the coolest shit ever. Are you kidding?
Let the car cool down a little
Oh
bit.
my god, I love
Not bad?
this. This is the best thing ever. Like, what is racing? This is so much
That's what
more
I'm saying.
fun.
Like, racing, you have to wait in line forever.
And it's just like a pass, and then
Yeah.
that's it. Oh my god, this is.
You spend more time
sick.
waiting in the freaking line than you do driving. So
Oh my-
this way you actually get some driving.
That
in.
was awesome. Oh my god, I'm shaking right now. I'm literally shaking. Oh my god, that was so much fun. Look at all of them. Look at us right now. Oh god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh, he blew it. He blew a tire. Look at this tire. Shit. Bro, look at it. It's smoking. Oh my god. That, I don't know, I'm not touching it.
Guys, he just blew his tire.
It's so hard.
Tires have left the track.
The tires have left the track.
Remember when I called this earlier and I was like, you're gonna shred it too much.
You're saying.
Sparks is gonna shoot. Sparks are gonna shoot. Oh, there's the sparks. goodness.
Look at all this, guys.
I saw him sparking a bit. He's full send. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's...
Who said you guys need to leave? That's it.
So what's going on?
Policia came. We're going, we're going. Wait for someone to pull behind me. Then we'll go. One of these cars. Alright, good. Car behind me. That worked out. Came, roasted some tires. Didn't get messed with by the cops until after the tires were toast. And now we go to the gas station, figure out some food. Another damn paradise. I guess that's what we were taught. We open up depending on